Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking you through the 1, 2, 3 gel method, which is a method that was coined by Honest Liz on Instagram, and I used it today and these are my results. I just wanted to share it with you because it's honestly one of my favourite methods for styling my curls, so let's go ahead. So the 1, 2, 3 gel method is a method of styling your hair using 3 different hair gels. So today I use the Noughty Hair Curl Jelly, the Bounce Curl Gel, and the Giovanni LA Hold Gel. These are 3 of my favourite gels and they worked really well together today to give me these lovely, shiny, bouncy, ringlety and voluminous results. A lot of people get quite confused with 1, 2, 3 gel because they think, wow, that is a lot of product, I don't need to use that much product on my hair. But actually you're not using any more product than you would normally. You just split in the same amount of product as you would normally use across 3 different gels. So there are a few different reasons to use the 1, 2, 3 gel method. Number 1 is to use different gels for different benefits. So I use a protein gel, a protein-free gel, and a strong hold gel that contains a tiny amount of protein. Another reason is if you want a stronger hold product. So say you have like 2 light hold gels and a medium hold gel, mixing them together can give you a stronger hold. And another reason why the method is so good is because you get to use up your product stash. I know that a lot of people end up trying out a lot of different products and a lot of them sit on your shelf and end up not getting used. But with this, you can use up the gels that you've opened. So if, for instance, you've got a product that's sitting on your shelf and it didn't work for you on its own, then perhaps pairing it with some other gels that you already have in your stash may get it to work better for your hair. But I do want to stress that this method is not about going and buying 3 gels. It's really just like, if you have the gels available, if you have them there, you want to use them up. So please don't feel like you have to go out and try this, you have to buy 3 gels. But I know that a lot of you guys are product junkies, so it's the perfect method for you guys. So that's enough rambling from me now. Let's jump into the shower and I'll show you the method. First, I apply my curl cream to soak in wet hair. I'm using the Briogeo Curl Charisma Cream. As always, I focus on the parts of my hair that need more moisture, so that's the nape of my neck and the ends of my hair, and then I take the excess through the lengths of my hair. I decided my hair needed to be a bit wetter in order to create curl clumps. If it's not wet enough, it can go a bit stringy. I'm now creating clumps by scrunching my hair, and I'm doing a kind of scrunching, squishing motion to lock the moisture from the cream and water into my hair. I'm now removing a little excess water before applying my gel. I don't always do this, but I sometimes find applying gels to soak in wet hair can dilute the product too much. Now I'm going to apply my first gel. I'm using the Noughty Hair Curl Scrunching Jelly. I first mix it together with water in my hands before applying it to my hair. This helps emulsify the product so it spreads further across my hair. To begin, I glaze the gel over the canopy of my hair and then gently scrunch up. By scrunching my hair with my head flipped forward, I'm able to focus on the front section of my hair, which a lot of people seem to struggle to get to curl. I'm now adding a bit more water before applying my second gel, which is the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. I'm now flipping my head to the side and shaking it as I do so to loosen any curls that are stuck to my scalp. Doing this also gives the hair flexibility once it's dry. Again, I'm just mixing the gel with a little bit of water in my hands before applying. I'm applying my gel in the same way that I did the first gel, glazing it over my hair and scrunching up. I then flip my hair to the other side and do the same. This is how I always apply my gel. I find it helps to make sure that I cover all areas of my hair. This gel needs a lot of water when it's applied, otherwise it can cause flash drying on your hair. That's where it goes a little bit frizzy during the application process and feels like it's kind of sucking all the water up really quickly. If that does happen to you, then just add more water to your hair while you're applying your products. I'm really focusing on scrunching my hair to make sure that all areas are covered with the gel. I then flip my head upright to try and get to the back section where I often miss. The back of my hair isn't naturally as curly as the rest of my hair, so it does need a bit of encouragement. I'm now going in with the final gel, which is the Giovanni LA Hold Gel. This is one of my favourite stronghold gels, and it needs to be mixed with lots of water because it's a very thick, gloopy consistency. I actually ran my hands under the tap at this point off camera to emulsify the gel in my hands. I'm now glazing the gel over with my head flipped forward and scrunching it in. The scrunching motion really helps to get the product into the hair so that when I remove some excess water with a curl towel at the end, it doesn't take away all the product that I've just added to my hair. And of course, scrunching also helps encourage curl definition and curl clumps. If you find that your hair dries out while you're scrunching, or you get some frizz or any clumps break up, then just add a bit more water, and for me that usually helps solve the problem. To finish off, I'm gently flipping my head back upright by shaking my hair, and then I'm removing a bit of excess water with a curl towel. I'm doing this very gently and then gently flipping my head to the other side to do the same, whilst trying not to get wet hair on my back because I hate that feeling. I'll then diffuse my hair to 100% off camera and show you the results. And these are my results. Obviously you saw them at the beginning of the video as well, so it's not the big reveal that I was hoping for, but I'm really happy with these results today. I've got a really good mix of volume, definition. I feel like I've got pretty good hold. My hair doesn't feel overly soft or anything. But yeah, I'm really happy with these results today. There are of course other gels that I like to use. I've been using this method for a long time, so I've found a few different combinations that work for me. Another one that I've been really loving recently is using the Hey Curl gel first, and then the Aussie Instant Freeze gel. This is the old one, but you can use it with the new one as well. And then the Giovanni LA Hold on top. These for me are 3 gels that my hair really likes, so putting them all together really works well for me. They are all kind of a similar consistency, especially these two. They're quite thick, so I need to mix them with water in my hands. But yeah, another great combo for me. And one more combo that I really like is the Curly Girl Movement Curl Defining Gel, the Bounce Curl Gel, and then the Giovanni gel on top. This is another combination that really works for me. When I'm deciding which order to use the gels, I usually begin with the thinner or creamier consistency ones and finish off with the gloopier ones. I also go in order of hold for maximum impact. So thank you so much to Honest Liz for coming up with the 1, 2, 3 gel method and bringing it into my life. I'm very grateful because it's a technique that my hair really likes, because you know my hair loves gel. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the 1, 2, 3 gel method, or if you're going to try it once you've watched this video. If you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.